Okay guys, just a quick one. Right, doing a shower, sorry, doing a towel roll. 3D towel roll. Okay. So what I've done, apart from it all falling apart, what you do, okay guys, you can see me there, hold it up like that, put them on the pipes, hold it like that, and then mark this one here, centre. You only need one mark only, okay? Turn the towel rail round, it's pretty easy, can't find the tape that is. Okay, so just make sure these are the same. It's 35mm. Yeah, so the image is the centre, which is 225. $350. Okay. If you're not too sure when you measure this, and you think, oh, this might be up and down, just measure between your centre of your bars, and they'll give you a measurement. So we are 350 up. Okay. 225 that way. 225 that way. 225, which is, okay, just double check it. 225, I know that's 350. Okay, get your level. You don't have to do no more measuring or anything like that. Get that on there, get that level, like so. Okay, then go up like that. So one mark does it all. Then put that like that. Ooh. Like so. And then you do that. So it's level. It's level. And do that. Okay, get your tape. And then just measure it, so make sure you're 225, which is spot on. That's your 350. That's your 350. And that is how you mark out your radiator. Then, okay, put that there as my colour. That's my stuff I need. Put that like that. I've got to just take these off. I'm going to put one on there, one on there, one on there, one on there. And that's it. So I've just got to take these ones off. Like so. Just unscrew. I only put these on there because I didn't want to lose the bolts and the nuts. I mean, you know, if I was doing it straight off, they'll leave them in the box. So all you need to do is leave them. And then do that one. So, like so. Okay, like that. And then get your drill, put your level up, out of the way so you don't stand on it. There it is. There you go. Okay, guys, screws, drill. Right. Okay, so put a cloth on the floor. The old Fisher raw plugs, good. You know, if you can buy Fisher raw plugs, they're 6mm ones, good, really good. The red ones are alright if you're going to get the brick. Where's my hammer? Just tap these to be careful. Crack a toe this stage. So you get your, like, they give you raw plugs and screws. I don't use their stuff. I'm not interested. Spit out. I want their washers. Okay. I want the washer out of it. Actually, these might be a bit too long. These screws. These are 60mm. These are 50. So put your washer on, like so, and then drop it in there like that. With your drill. Don't go too mad. I'm going to nick them up with a spanner, screwdriver, sorry. Last one. Right, now get your level. If we tighten them up, just make sure you're level. Okay, so let's see. Okay, make sure you level that way. That's your first one. And then get your tape. Roughly get you. Okay. And what you do, just roughly get them in line, like so. And then what you do, get your radiator and then roughly put it in. Just put it in, if you can get it in. Like so, see? There you go. So make sure that actually does want to come up. So I can see that on that pipe. So what you do, get yourself level, levelish, and then, yeah, he definitely wants to come up. So you can do your alteration. That's better. Go now. This is just temporary. And that's how you fit it red. And all you've got to do then is just bolt these up, screw them up, put your nuts on, put your nut on there, and it's job done. Okay? Just do it coming up a touch. But there you go. And that's how you fit your red. Okay guys? Not rocket science. Oh. But I hope that one helped you. So there you go guys.